Good morning, everyone. It's Liz Mulheron with a little bit of guidance from Archangel Raphael. So today's the 29th of May, and as I asked the question in my mind, I asked Archangel Raphael what message he wants to give us, and he said number 7. So all the cards are numbered. I'm in actually the process of getting these cards done. I've had a few people say, have you got them yet, Liz? So, they're coming. It's just, production, and when you do them overseas, it takes a little bit of time. But the message from Archangel Raphael this morning is trust. Let go, let God, miracles on their way. So it's a beautiful, I got this one, but it's a beautiful card. See there with the light coming out of the green heart. Green is all about healing, and that's why green is always associated with Archangel Raphael, because he is the healing angel. So God has a band of 12 archangels, and they all have significant roles. It's a bit like an organisation. You have the CEO at the top, and you have the heads of different departments, and that's how that's my understanding of how the angelic realm work. So they all have a role to play. So the message: trust, let go, and let God. Miracles are on their way. I've been certainly asking for that, and I've been holding on to that. So really, trust is having undeniable faith when there may be no logic reason why to. So it's the trusting without proof, trusting without, physical reassurance. Because miracles aren't logical. They are left field, but they're so real. And the only time you experience them is when they happen. And little synchronicity moments. And we all have them in our life. But quite often we expect the miracles to be like a big showcase or a big production of a situation. But quite often they're the simplest things. Is when, you go, when you're very short on funds and you need that $5 to buy your children some lunch, and you go, I'll get it from somewhere. And sure enough, something might happen where you find that extra money in your purse. Or where, you're looking for a car and you can't afford a car. And then something happens that someone offers you a car. So there's all these tiny little things that are insignificant to others, but so powerful for you. So just trust in the unseen, because there's so much that we don't see, that we don't need to see to experience the beauty in it. So just trust and let go and let God, whoever your God is. Because God goes by very different names. He knows that. He knows he wears very different hats with different names on them, but it's the same beautiful energy. A divine source that is the reason we're all here. It's a reason that everything in this world has been created by this beautiful divine being that loves us so much and wants the best for each and every one of us. So whatever you're hoping for, you're praying for yourself or others, because it's beautiful to ask for a miracle for someone else, even for people you don't know. And the miracle for our planet, because our world needs a big hug, and certain countries need a big hug. So make sure you send them prayers to them countries and our planet as a whole. So that's the message today from Archangel Raphael. Trust, let go, and let God. Miracles are on their way. That's a beautiful message from Archangel Raphael, my mother, all the angels, and myself. I'm sending you so much love and so much support. And have a beautiful day, whatever you're doing. And I'll see you on Monday with a message from Archangel Michael. Take care.